Hi everyone, it is time for us to do the practice set for lesson 107, which is formulas and the distributive property. We have a piece of property right here and people are wanting to know how much fencing to install. This tells us that we need to figure out the perimeter. Because this is technically a not quite a usual shape, the thing that I think would be easiest is for us to just add up our sides. So I've taken 10 feet on this end, 20 feet, 20 feet, 8 feet, 10 feet, and 12 feet. And I have added those all up together. This gives us a perimeter of 80 feet. They also want us to determine the area of the property. We look at this as two rectangles. No problem. So our first rectangle is going to be this one. We've got the width as 8, our length as 20. We know our formula for area, so we take the length 20 times the width of 8, and this gives us the area for this first rectangle, which is 160 square feet. Our next rectangle is down here. Now, we are looking at this part. We have the measurement for this part, but we're looking at this side, and we're going to use, because it's a rectangle, we're going to use this measurement right here, 12 feet. And so we know that our length is 12 feet, our width is 10. We multiply these, and we get 120 feet. Now, for us to figure out the whole area, we just take the area from this rectangle and add it to the area of this rectangle, and that gives us 280 square feet. Now, our final piece that I want to practice is the distributive property. They want us to use the distributive property for this equation. 6 times 10 plus 6 in the parentheses. Now, this is where we see how the distributive property is working in action. We distribute this number. We take and we first multiply 6 times the first of the addends, which is 10. We know that 6 times 10 is 60. Then we take and we multiply 6 times 6 for the second part. And being the math students that we know our 6's so well, we say, oh yeah, that's 36. And then we add these together. 60 plus 36, that equals 96. And there you have it, our practice set for 107. If you have 108, well, if you have any questions, comments, or needing some clarification, please let me know. I wish you well on your homework, and until next time, keep it up.